everybody, I'm Karen Dimitro, the Lifestyle Director. And if you have any leftover coffee, I'm going to teach you how to make a great new drink. It's called the Quarantini, which is really a coffee and chocolate drink. So the first thing I did was I put some chocolate fudge into my martini glass, which is chilled. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Godiva chocolate liqueur, and I'm going to use about 1.5 ounces of that and pour it into my cocktail shaker. Yum. Next, I'm going to use 1.5 ounces of Tia Maria, which is a coffee flavored liqueur. I'm going to use my same thing for measuring. This is about 1.5 ounces. We're going to pour that in there. Then I'm going to use 1 ounce of Stolichnaya vanilla. All right, now we have all of our liqueurs in there. Then I'm going to take old coffee from this morning, or new coffee, as long as it's not hot. Pour 1 ounce in there, and 1 ounce of half and half. Oops. We need a little bit of ice. This is going to be deliciously chocolate coffee-ish. It's happy hour somewhere, isn't it? All right. Put it in our glass. Shake it up. We're straining this so we don't get too much ice in it. Make it like a real martini. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Okay, and if you want to get more chocolate out of it, you can stir it so you get more of the chocolate that's on the side of the glass. But what I like is to put some coffee beans in it. So we're going to float 3 coffee beans. And there's our chocolate martini. Our Quarantini.